10 years we are celebrating the 3D PC Pioneers Challenge.
For me, the 3D Pioneers Challenge is the only and largest competition that shows the entire spectrum of opportunities and potentials that additive manufacturing can provide.
We believe it brings people together from different industries to bring additive manufacturing into the real world.
The 3D PC Challenge, as it says, pushing boundaries.
This pushing boundaries fitted all the time over the 9 years I was participating, and this was forming a kind of family within this jury because we had so many exciting time together.
The jury panel this year was fantastic. We had so many diverse submissions across the board, and what I enjoyed the most was the dialogue with the other jury members.